Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to select and delete multiple photos at once in gallery on DOOGEE V40 Pro. Let's go! Okay guys, so you just need to go to some photo app, which in my case is gallery, here. Then you need to select. If you want to select more than one photo, all you need to do is hold on one photo and click and then select other photos. Then if you want to delete them, you press this bin icon and move to trash. Got it. Move to trash. If you want to delete it permanently, you then go click here, then trash, select 1, 2, 3, 4 and delete permanently. Thank you guys for watching, have a good day and goodbye.